So I've just treated myself to a Cricut maker. Just going to open it up and see what we get inside. So I've just taken it out of the outer box, and as you can see it's a very pretty inner box, and it actually tells us on the top what we get inside. So we get a fine point blade, a rotary blade and a fine point pen. I would say it actually does weigh quite heavy, it's £21, so bear that in mind wherever you're going to put it. Now I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. So I've just opened it up, and inside we have a Let's Get Started little box. I'll take that out. And then also have the main Cricut or Cricut, not quite sure how people pronounce it. So I'm going to take that out and see what it looks like. So I've just taken it out of the box, and just underneath the machine itself there are actually two mats, a pink and a blue one. The pink one says it's a fabric grip mat, and the blue one is called a light grip mat. So I'll have to find out what they do. There's the machine itself and also the plug. So inside this Let's Get Started box, let's have a look. There's actually some materials for your first project. I wasn't sure if you've got anything like this. I know some machines don't come with anything to start with, which is a bit frustrating. So at least they give you something in this one. Inside the materials for your first project, let's have a look at what we get in that. So we get some fabric. So you've got lots of, there's like a vinyl there as well, and some cardstock as well at the back, so that's good. That should be enough to give us a little teaser of how we can get on with the machine. Looks like there's a blade, like a rotary blade, a welcome book, looks like there's something under here. And there we go, there is a USB cable, a pen, and there's like a blade cap there as well. So I'm going to set it up and see what it looks like inside. The machine itself is really stylish. It's actually got like a rose gold sort of finish to it on the top, and it's also wrapped in an extra layer of shrink wrap, so it gives it added protection before we undo it. So I've just taken it out of the shrink wrap. I'm going to open it up and have a look and see what it's like inside. So I'm going to lift up the top, which seems to release the bottom part as well. We have the power button and 3 other buttons on this side. Then I can also see there's actually a blade already in situ, and I think next to all those the pens. So I'll take that out for now. We've also got a pen holder, handy for your scissors and your pens. And then there's additional storage underneath the machine. So let's turn it on and see what the noise level's like. There we go, not too bad. So I'm going to add it to Bluetooth and see how I get on. So now I'm going to connect to the Cricut store and see how easy that is. On the first page of the manual it tells you to begin with go to cricut.com/setup. So I've just done that. I'm going to just press get started and see what it says. So now we've got to plug the USB cable in. So I will do that and see if it connects. So I've just done that and turned the machine on. And looks like that's worked, so I'm going to press continue. So it looks like we get something free. Claim your goodies. Your Cricut machine comes in a bundle with a collection of free images, fonts and ready to make projects. To add them to your account, just register your machine by clicking continue. Your fabulous 1 month free trial. That looks good. Looks like we get some freebies. So I should do the free trial now and then pay the £7.50 monthly later if I like it. So start my trial. Right, so I'm going to enter all my billing details and see what happens next. So I've just entered my details, which is my email address and my home address. Just click the continue button. And it's as easy as that. Let's go straight into the Cricut store. Look for the green A for images, fonts and projects included with your Cricut Access membership.